Hello everyone, in this video, we will explore the Dahua Addressable Fire Alarm Control Panel with one loop. The Dahua Fire Alarm System includes Fire Alarm Control Panel, Smoke Detector, Heat Detector, Multi-Sensor Detector, Sounder Strobe Base, LoRa Series, Sounder Strobe, Manual Call Point, Linear Beam Detector, Input-Output Module, Zone Module, to realize the AIoT solution with DSS Pro or VisualAlarm Cloud Platform. Now, let's explore the functions of the buttons on the control panel. The control panel consists of
communication status indicators,
LCD display, operation button for the LCD display, manual module panel, device linkage panel, printer, alarm sound outlet, operation button for the fire alarm system and operation status indicators. For specific functions of the different components, please refer to the annotations above. The terminals on the panel consist of bus terminal, device linkage panel terminal, fault output, alarm output, power output, reserved CAN,
and other terminals.
The power system consists of main power supply terminal, backup power supply terminal, main power switch, backup power switch, and backup battery. There is a resistance for battery circuit protection, and it need to be inserted before switching on backup power supply. There are a USB terminal used for parameter file transmission and upgrade, and a RJ45 terminal used for AIoT platform accession. Next, let's explore how each button operates.
For the alarm button, after push the button, all the siren in the system will change to the alarm state. For the mute button here, after you push this button, all the siren will change to the silence state from the alarm state. And the last one, the reset button, after you push the button, all the node state will be reset to normal state. And for the test button, it is used for test the LED state for all the panel. So after you push the button, all the LED will light in the same time to self-test.
The accession is two-wired and non-polarity. Nodes are connected to each other in series, and access to bus terminal. Discover the key features of our fire alarm system. Explore the recommended scenarios for our system in various environments. For more information, please scan the QR code displayed on the screen.